So now let's see how we can work around with split tone and blur correction option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to work around with the blur correction, I'm going to go around over here onto the correction section right here, and then if I were to go around, then you can see that split tone and blur is an option around over here. So let's just go around on the split tone, and here you can change around the highlight, as you can see right here. So I can choose a particular color. Let's say, for example, I'm going to choose let's say around blue right here. And then if I were to change around the saturation right here, then the bright parts, as you can see right here, becomes more blue right here. So you can go around, change around the saturation, make it more blue. Similarly, you can choose around the dark areas right here, like shadows. Let's just say that I want around a reddish color right here. So let's just go around over here. So you can see that red color is here. I can go around, change around the saturation, and the dark part, as you can see, becomes red right here. And you can control the amount of it, as you can see right here. Then you can go around and balance it out right here, just like this. So you can go around more for blue or more for red right here, just like this. And you can change around how much you want right here by using the split tone, as you can see right here, just like this. So the dark part is more reddish and the bright part is more bluish, as you can see right here. Apart from this, you can go around, work around with the blur. So you can go around for radial blur, as you can see right here, and then control like where you want the blur to happen. You can go around over here, increase out the blur, and let's say, for example, I want to focus on this area, then this area becomes like focus right here while the other part become blurred. And you can go around, change around the radial range around over here, just like this as well. Apart from that, you can work around with the full blur right here, just like this, and that simply goes around and adds in blur, as you can see, to the entire image. So that is how you can go around and work around with split tone and blur correction option inside of Adobe Photoshop Express. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.